Citrine is a new tool that augments the standard copy and paste interaction technique with many new functions. Normally, when you copy a block of text that contains structured information like an address, you cannot paste it into the Palm Desktop address book, the CardStan address book, or the Netscape address book. If you paste into the Outlook address book, all of the text goes into the Notes field, and then you must laboriously copy each piece of information into the right place. Similarly, when you copy some text containing a bibliographic reference, you cannot paste it into a reference database such as EndNote, except by laboriously copying it field by field. In contrast, when Citrine is running, it automatically checks each time the clipboard gets new content to see if it can recognize the format. If so, Citrine adds new formats to the clipboard which enable pasting into the appropriate applications. The Citrine icon in the window tray changes to show the kind of information that Citrine has detected. And optionally, Citrine will briefly pop up a notification showing what has been inferred. When Citrine detects a contact or an address, it adds formats to the clipboard that enable pasting into the Palm Desktop, CardScan, and many other programs. When pasting into Outlook, all the fields are now filled in. When you copy a bibliographic reference, Citrine parses it and adds the EndNote format to the clipboard, so you can now paste the new entry directly into EndNote. The Palm calendar does not support copying or pasting of events at all. Citrine provides a special button to allow an event to be copied. Also, when you copy some plain text containing an event such as a meeting or talk announcement, Citrine will recognize it, and a special button will paste the event into the Palm calendar. In the Outlook calendar, when you copy an event, it just copies the subject and not the time. For pasting events without Citrine, you must navigate to the appropriate time, and Outlook puts the pasted text into the Notes field, and then the user must copy it into the right fields. In contrast, Citrine allows events to be much more easily copied and pasted into the Outlook calendar. Copying information into web forms can be tedious, since the provided paste operation will only take the first line of whatever is copied. Citrine adds new menu items to Internet Explorer to enable pasting of multiple pieces of information at the same time. Unlike IE and Google's autofill techniques that always paste the same information into each field, Citrine's paste in a form command fills the form with the current data that has been copied. This makes it particularly easy to paste addresses into MapQuest and Yahoo Maps, where you usually want new information every time. Note that for Yahoo Maps, Citrine has appended information for multiple items into the address field. For new web forms, Citrine allows you to train how to map the copied items into fields by showing by example which types of item go into each form field. The mappings are remembered for all future uses of the same form and any other forms that use the same field names. Many people use Excel spreadsheets to keep track of a variety of information. Citrine can be trained how to map each item into different columns. And then new copy data can be pasted into rows with a single operation. Note that this will work for multiple items at the same time. The Citrine dialer monitors the clipboard and will let users quickly dial a copied phone number and also any phone number in a copied contact. The dialing rules are learned from multiple examples. Citrine provides a viewer and an editor where the inferred information can be inspected and corrected if necessary. Taken together, Citrine's many features combine to provide significantly expanded functionality to users beyond normal copy and paste without requiring users to learn much in the way of new interaction techniques. A small formal user study showed that people were faster and liked using Citrine compared to copying data items one at a time. And we have found Citrine to be very helpful and use it on a daily basis to help automate what otherwise would be tedious tasks. You can download Citrine software from our website.